Sabrina. We're here in Southside Indianapolis, here for CJP Homes, and right here, we just remodeled pretty recently, so we're just going to come on to see the house, alright? First up, you see a very good open concept house over here. Great living room space to help with family and friends to socialize and have some entertainment here. We're going to walk around over here. We have a great bedroom for the kids. We have a pretty cool bathroom in here with LED lights, twin vanity, and also a really nice shower head for you as well. Bedroom. So right here we have a king-size bed that we're able to fit in here. Great lights and plenty of room for walk-in closets and more extra space that you can put into here as well. We'll come on over here. This we have our master bedroom. We have great tile here into this bathroom, very adequate lights. So you can kind of design it your way any way that you want it to. It's pretty cool that we have a wine cooler. If you don't drink wine, you can always put some sparkling water in there as well. So it's very convenient for entertainment. I'm going to come and walk over here. Plenty of counter space just to cook meal prep and all that. Great, sink here you can use, to clean. Baby bottles, some water for tap, and also here just to, do the dishes. And if you turn on this side, you can just, wash the vegetables right here as well. Move on over here. We have a pretty innovative stove from Samsung. You can just turn this on right here. And this magnet, pretty cool. You can move it around, and then you can just kind of start. Here you can use for barbecue if you want for both sides. Click this button. Hit the on, and then both will turn at the same time, which is pretty cool as well. We go down here, and then right here, if you want to I can show you here, just start here to start. And then if you have kids, they can touch it and it's not going to burn them. So you can have your kids help you cook and all that. And it's Samsung connected. You can connect on your phone, which would be pretty cool plus for the house. So I hope you enjoy the house. The kitchen, we'll go in ahead and see the basement over here. Watch your step. So you have a pretty big space for the basement. You have right here for laundry, so plenty of space. You can add some tables here to do some folding, and right here, yes, there's a couch here, but you can put anything in here. You can do a pool table, an air hockey table, or you can just put a TV up and watch, NFL football games over here. We also have some rooms in here you can use, for extra space, or you could use that for a kid's room as well, or just a playroom. So plenty of space in here as well. You can take a look at that. Another space for you as well to kind of look into. Plenty of closet space as well. In the master bedroom, it's pretty cool that we have some access outside. So if you and your partner want to come out and have, a drink or relaxation with away from the kids, you can come out here and have a little seat out here on the patio right here, just relax and kind of enjoy the great view that we have here in Indianapolis. So we'll come on back here to the front of the house.